Oh, hi guys! Homeschooling has started and my laptop gave birth to another laptop. And look at this. You probably know this can turn to an iPad, but look at this. They are related. They're both Dell, and then look. Ooh, sweet. Oh, look at it. I was just playing a game. And then look at this other one. This one is more flexible actually. See? The moment of truth is here. Let's see what type of laptop we have. Alright, it's like a treasure chest right now. Here's the inside, how it looks, but I can't drop it. That's why I can't show you guys right now. So I'm just gonna remove the things piece by piece. There. Here's one of the things. Oh, I think this is the charger. Let's put it back. And then, what is this? An SUV. Oh, wait. I don't know. Okay. I think he got a PC. Looks like a drone. Yeah, I don't know what that one is. Let's go get it. Going. Hopefully I don't drop it. This is the real treasure here. It has a solid case and a package and lots of them. I bet I can do DIY with this thing. I don't know anymore. I'm just gonna put that there until I get some ideas. Alright, the treasure will be unlocked. I have the key. Oh my god! Let's see what's inside. What's this? What? There's some message? And there's some wheels there. We should check that out later. So let's just get the plastic. This is cool. And this is how it looks like in the front. Oh, I wonder if the keyboard is also like kind of neon. Yeah, it's kind of neon, but it's only like white color. But I can barely see it. Nah, it's not that neon. It's not neon. So let's put. Oh, I don't know the password. Let's see if we can do this. Make this into tablet mode. Can spend it. Yeah, normal computers actually have the length of this only. It still feels quite easy, so okay, it still survived. Well, actually, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Will it work? Breaks. Oh no. Okay, it worked. Let's see. Okay, I don't know the password, so I'm just gonna show you the keyboard right now. It became a pin from a laptop to an iPad. Now it's automatic. And then let's turn back. Oh my god, this is fun. And then look at this. Oh, it's automatic. Ooh, what's this? See, it's so cool. And apple. And it is completely destroyed. Well, actually it survived.